We got Chef Caleb here cooking dinner for everybody tonight. So Chef Caleb, what you cooking tonight?
Chicken.
Chicken? Okay. And what technique are you cooking the chicken? That is that sauteing it?
Sauteing.
Sauteing it, okay. You measuring your seasonings?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. What all did you season your chicken with?
Paprika, ground black pepper, seasoned salt, and garlic powder.
Okay, all right, cool. Cool. So are you gonna set your timer for your chicken?
Yes.
That's one of your 9 T's, right? So you got those 3 pieces there. How long are you gonna cook them for?
I would say like
No, about put it on 19 minutes. Just go ahead and set your timer. Always remember, temperature and time goes together. All right. We're gonna see what Chef Caleb did here. He knows how to cook his own food at 9 years old. All right, cover it up. Cover it up. Go ahead and cover your food up with your cover there. All right. Now let's drop your temperature down to about the middle medium. Nope, that's medium a little bit to the right. Okay, about right there. Okay. Remember, protein needs to